Well, I'm actually out here to maiden my STRIX Stratosurfer, but before that I think I'll work out some of the nerves. I'm kind of nervous about flying that thing. So, quick little flight on the turbo timber ought to help settle the nerves a little bit. Not too bad. Okay, final range check. And not half power. Looks like everything's working. Okay, so I've done all eight stations of the compass there, or orientations from me. Can't do above and below, you know all that well. I'm out here at a friend's farm and hoping that I've got a nice grassy field out here to land in. So there's nothing to it but to do it. Let's turn my GoPro on. I've got a 3300 milliamp battery plugged in here. And get my lens cap off. Settle that down in there. Like so. Up here so I don't lose it. Alright, CG I think looks alright. That looks pretty good. Alright. I'm throwing over the field with a prayer. Alright, throttle cut off. Oh yeah. Okay. It's one of the things you get warned about. Throttle cut still on. Okay. That was exciting. Feels pretty good. I'm not using AS3X or anything on it right now. Turn on the AS3X. I did set this up with safe. Okay, my heart rate is finally down to about 140.